Do you have a will? Historical data shows that roughly only 37% of American adults have one. Most people find it too overwhelming, they procrastinate, and it's too expensive. At GoodTrust, we make it simple, and it's free. In fact, with our newest service, we've made it so easy that you can even do it on your mobile device. It only takes about 15 minutes to go through the process, but if you want to take time, discuss it with your family, you can save it and come back to it later. Either way, you want to take careful consideration when making your decisions and be as explicit as possible. Once you finish the online process, it's vital that you print it. Ensure that 2 witnesses sign it. Only then does it become a valid legal document. Ready to create your will? Just go to mygoodtrust.com/will and get started. Your peace of mind will be priceless.